Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the lesson triangle and its property. Now coming to the worksheet 3, that is triangle inequality. Sum of two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. That property we have to use here. Which of the following can be the sides of a triangle? The measurements of the sides are given in centimeters. Already example में हम किए हैं ऐसे वाले. So 3 measurements are given, 6, 4 and 8. So what we have to do? First add first and second centimeter is equal to 6 plus 4 is 10. Compare with the third. So it is greater than. Now add second and third. 4 plus 8 is 12. Compare with the first. Again it is greater. 12 is greater than 6. Now third and the first. 8 plus 6. It is 10, 14. Isn't it? 14 centimeter. Compare with the second. Again it is 14 is greater than 4. So 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 8 centimeter can be the sides of a triangle. Easy sums, isn't it? Okay, coming to the second one. First and the second is equal to 8 plus 10 is 18. Compare with the third, it is equal. So in the first step only you got, it cannot be. So 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 18 centimeter cannot be the sides of a triangle. We cannot draw a triangle with this measurement. Now coming to the third, it is a 3 plus 4 centimeter. 3 plus 4 is 7. Compare with the third, it is lesser than. So we cannot. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 10 centimeter cannot be the sides of a triangle. That means we cannot draw a triangle with this measurement. Now coming to the fourth D, 35 plus 38 centimeter. 5, 10, 13, 1, 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 73 centimeter. Compare with the third, it is greater. Next, second and third, you got 8 plus 0, 8, 3 plus 4, 7. Compare it with the first. Again it is greater. Now last and the first, 40 plus 35, 0 plus 5, 5, 4 plus 3, 7. Compare with the second. Again it is greater. So we can draw a triangle with the measurements 35 centimeter, 38 centimeter and 40 centimeter. So you can write the statement, they can be the sides of the triangle or we can draw a triangle with these measurements. The question will be either way, are they the sides of a triangle or can we draw a triangle with these measurements? Hope you understood this first question of worksheet 3. Clear, isn't it? Now coming to the next question number 2. In question number 2, a point O is in the interior of the triangle ABC. Use the symbol greater than, lesser than or equal to make the following statements true. And then what are the statements? OA plus OB is dash than AB, OB plus OC box BC, OA plus OC box AC, and then show that AB plus BC plus AC is lesser than 2 bracket OA plus OB plus OC. Hope you remember similar type of sums we have done in the example. Now here the point O is in the interior. So एक triangle है और उसके अंदर O है point. Now join OA, OB, OC. So you got 3 triangles inside triangle ABC. हाँ या ना? Triangle ABC के अंदर 3 triangle है OAB, OBC and OCA. So in triangle OAB, if you take OAB, OA plus OB, OA plus OB should be greater than AB. Take it as 1 or A. You got the answer, isn't it? A. Now in the second triangle OBC, OB plus OC is greater than BC. That is statement B. OB plus OC is greater than BC. Now in the third triangle OCA, OA plus OC is greater than AC. That is statement C. Okay. So first ABC, already it is a answer is written. Now for the last one, what we have to do is add both the sides. Add A, B, C. That is A plus B plus C. Left hand side, what are all there? OA plus OB. In the second one, OB plus OC. In the third one, OA plus OC. And sign is greater than. Right side, it is AB plus BC plus AC. AB plus BC plus AC. Now check OA 2 times, OB 2 times, OC 2 times. So if we take, it is 2 bracket OA plus OB plus OC. That means 2 OA, 2 OAB, 2 OB, 2 OC is greater than AB plus BC plus AC. So now you understood 2 into OA plus OB plus OC is greater than AB plus BC plus AC. But in the question, AB plus BC plus AC, it is written on the left side, and 2 bracket OA, O into OA plus OB plus OC is written on the right side. Okay, we will write AB plus BC plus AC. We interchange both the sides, 2 bracket OA plus OB plus OC. When you interchange the sides, sign greater than, it will become lesser than. That is what it's asked to show. Sides जब हम change करते हैं, इधर comparison sign also changes. Like 3 is greater than 2, but 2 is lesser than 3. तो वैसे sides को change करो, sign भी change करो. Hope you understood this sum. Okay. Now coming to the third one. It is the lengths of the two sides of a triangle are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Between what two measures should the length of the third side be? तो triangle के लिए there is a method, the sum of the two sides is greater than the third side, है ना? So first we will write the sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Therefore, the length of the third side, the length of the third side should fall between two sides are 4 and 6. It should be between 6 minus 4 is 2 centimeter and 6 plus 4 is 10 centimeter. So the length of the third side should be between 2 centimeter and 10 centimeter. How did you get? Subtract the numbers and add the numbers. It should be between these two. Means which are the sides? क्या क्या हो सकता है? Between. So 2 and 4, 10 नहीं. So it should be either 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter or 9 centimeter. It will be either of these. So this is the answer. But explanation part, how is it? For explanation, it is not to write in the exam, it is only for understanding. Okay. Now, if we take to be 4, first side is 4 centimeter, second is 6 centimeter, and the third side if you take it as 2. Okay. If we take the 2 as the third side. So find 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. It is greater than 2. Now 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, greater than 4. Now 2 plus 4, you got 6 centimeter. When you compare with this, it is equal. So can you draw the triangle? We cannot draw the triangle. So that is why 2 cannot be. इसका मतलब 1 भी नहीं होगा. तो 1 डालेंगे तो भी वो कम होगा। अभी हम 10 डालेंगे, सो इधर इट इज बिटवीन 2 एंड 10 बोले हैं, सो 10 डालेंगे तो 4, 6 एंड 10। 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Compare with the third side, equal to. Can we draw? We cannot draw the triangle, है ना। अगर हम 3 लेंगे, 4, 6 and 3, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, is greater than 3. Now 6 plus 3, that is equal to 9. It is greater than 4. Now 3 plus 4, it is 7, greater than 6. So can you draw? Yes, isn't it? We can draw the triangle. Now 2 के बाद 3, अभी 10 से पहले कौन सा? 4, 6, 9. 4 plus 6, 10, greater than 9. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15, greater than 4. 9 plus 4, 13, 13, greater than 6. So here also we can draw the triangle. So इनके बीच में 3 और 9, so सब कुछ हो जाएगा। So 2 और 10, 2 से कम 10 से ज़्यादा you cannot draw the triangle, but 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 we can draw the triangle. Hope you are confident with this topic. Yes or no? So this is only for the explanation. For the exam you have to write only till here. Okay, bye. Thank you. All the best. This is worksheet 3, isn't it?